Hello, welcome back. It's been a couple of weeks I think since my last vlog went up. Still doing the house renovation. This is the first time I've done any fashion filming in my new room. If you see that last vlog about the room renovation, I'll leave a link. Yeah, so it's not long been done and here we are. So this is the first one. I'm happy to get back to normal. Well, not back to normal because we've only done 2 rooms, but it's a lot easier than it was. Anyway, I'm talking about Lily Silk today. It's a brand I often work with. They gift me items that I wear on the blog, and I thought I'd show you how I style my silk shirts. Lily Silk is a brand that sells everything silk. Silk sheets, silk pyjamas, clothing. You can get skirts, dresses, blouses. I've always chosen blouses, funnily enough, and I have loved them. I wear them a lot, but just recently they launched knitwear, and this year I had the silk polar neck, and this feels absolutely gorgeous on. I have worn this to death already because I love cream. It's light, it's fluid, and it's still warm as well. It's perfect for under jackets. It's not over bulky. Great with jeans, great to wear smart. I've absolutely loved it, and I will continue loving it. And I thought I'm going to do a little film about why I love Lily Silk. So yeah, I'm going to crack on and show you how I style my shirts. Let's start with this one, I think. This is a classic pocketed shirt. I've got 2. I've got one in green and one in black. I sized up on these to give it more of a boyfriend style, and they're just lovely on. I roll the sleeves up for a more casual look. I meant to say, on Lily Silk at the moment there's a sale on, and if you subscribe to their website you also get an extra 10%, so win-win. Yeah, so I'm going to try these on now. I'm going to do the green one first, and I'd love to hear what you think of these items. I washed all of these in the machine on a 30 cycle and they've all been fine. I mean, this green one and the black one, I would be worried that they would fade in colour, but they've not. I use normal washing powder and then an iron, and they're fine. They've not faded at all. So I would say machine wash at 30. All of this I've washed in the machine at 30 and it's been fine. Not even, I think on the instructions it says you can wash it at 30. So yeah, I think that's a bonus as well. I wouldn't be buying or wearing so much of this silk if it had to be dry cleaned, because I hate having loads of dry cleaning bills. It's a pain in the bum, you know. You've got to take it to the shop, then you've got to pick it up. So that is a bonus with these, is that I don't have them dry cleaned. So let's crack on and I'll show you how I wear these shirts. Be interested to know in the comments what you think actually, and give it a thumbs up if you like it, and if you really like it, subscribe and hit the bell. So here it is, that first one. As you can see, it's really floaty. I've puffed it out, tucked it in and puffed it out in the jeans. I'm just wearing it with skinny jeans. I think this green works with any colour denim actually, and any type of jean. I think in my blog post I wore my bootcut jeans. I'll link a picture into that. But yeah, it's lovely. It's just such a nice casual, easy to wear shirt. I will say under all of these shirts I wear a seamless bra, nude, and sometimes I wear my chappies all in one body. It just keeps it nice and smooth. Yeah, I think if you wear anything too heavy and lacy. Sometimes it can show through on the silk. Yeah, so this is the first look. Look number 2. Like I said, I think this has got to be one of my most favourite items this winter. I've worn it so much. I like to ruche the sleeves up. Sleeves are always too long on me. Yeah, but it is a lovely top, and considering how lightweight it is, it's so warm. I didn't realise silk could be so warm. And it just feels gorgeous on. I love it. I love it with these trousers. I purchased these in the resale. Yeah, I think it's a nice classic look. I mean, this polo neck, it will go with anything. Looks nice under a blazer. I've worn it that way. Looks nice with the skirt. Jeans, you can wear it with anything. I think there's different colours on there, but I love my creams and my beiges, so love my neutral tones. So yeah, you can see how fluid it is just in the movement. Again, like I said, I've got a nude seamless bra on with this, and I think it really does help with the look. I won't wear anything too lacy underneath or embellished, because I think you'll see it through the silk. I've just teamed nude shoes. It looks nice with a nude bag as well. But I'm liking these trousers. So there you go. That's the second one. Third one. It's the third one. This one's got faux pockets, collarless. It's classic. The buttons are hidden on this one. I'll leave all the links below. It's a nice fluid shirt. I've got the cuffs done up. I just like to ruche the sleeve up. I'm wearing this with these trousers from Pure Collection. I had these for over the Christmas period. They're a nice party wear trouser, I think. I've worn these with jumpers and they still look good. And I've just paired these with my Ted Baker shoes. These shoes are absolutely ancient. I think they're about 12 years old. Yeah, so this is look number 3. Here we go with look number 4, black and tan. I actually like black and tan. If you're a regular over on the blog, you'll realise that I very rarely ever wear black. But I think this was the second shirt that I had from Lily Silk. It's either the second or the third. And I thought long and hard about what to order, and I chose black because I thought it goes with everything. It's classic. I know this shirt is going to last me, well, I could put on loads of weight and this will still fit me. and I just thought I'm going to stick with something classic. Yeah, so that's what I did. This looks great with faux leather jeans, by the way. I've got a picture, I think, I'll put that in. But I do like my black and tan. I don't know why, so I don't think black suits me that well. Wearing my black knee-length boots. Let's twist that up a bit. I bought these from Reiss late last year and I've worn them to death. I'm really pleased with them. The leather is so soft. Really lovely. So I think the whole look, black. The black and the tan, I think it matches well. Nice black bag. Let's find a black bag. There you go, black bag. I just think the whole look is really nice and classic. It's very chic. So that's it. That's my 4 ways to style my silk items. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'm a little bit rusty. I haven't done a fashion vlog, I don't think, since would be last summer I guess. Yeah, it's nice. I'm looking forward to connecting with you all again. So yeah, sleeves are rolled up actually, by the way, again on this shirt, and I sized up again on this. I've worn it boyfriend style. It's a size 12. The cream shirt is a size 10, and the roll neck I think is either a small or a 10. So just to give you some ideas on the sizing there. Yeah, you know what they say about the sleeves, if you roll your sleeves up, make sure they're elbow length. It's something to do with the circumference here to here, and it just makes the style look better. I read that somewhere and I've tried it ever since, and I think it works. So that's it. See you next week for another vlog. Hopefully I'll get one up next week. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you've reached the end of the video. I know this one's not too long, nowhere near as long as that renovation one. So yeah, speak soon.